All right. Xander's turn.
Lions come from the largest Africa.
Good job.
The largest Africa.
Lions come from Africa. That's good. What's next? It's fine right there, honey. What's next? Turn it over.
Boys have names.
Good job. Can you flip it now?
Yeah.
What's next? Don't rip it.
Tristan wants to see too. Girls do most of the hunting.
Let Xander do it.
Girls do most of
the hunting,
the hunting.
right?
Most of the hunting.
Good job. You're doing good.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You have 2 more. Are you going to flip the page?
Yeah,
Do you want help with that one?
yeah.
Lions are...
The second big cat.
Yes, the second largest of the big
You
cats.
forgot the largest. But that's fine.
Yeah, he did good.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay, one more. One more, buddy.
They sleep for 20 hours a day. I was telling them.
I know you were. Can you let him read it, though?
Yeah, he doesn't know.
There you go. Go ahead.
The tiger sleep 20 about the day.
Lions sleep for 20 hours a day?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good.
Good job. The end.
The end. The end.
Good job, buddy.